It does not say the Wanderlust Professional. It says the Wanderlust Handyman.
Today we're starting a project that's going to take some time. And hopefully the transformation of this area will be something that will amaze you, because it's certainly going to amaze me. I'm taking our basement and I'm taking a small part of it and I'm converting it into an office. Just a small part of it. Let me give you a shot of what the basement looks like right now. And don't judge me. There's been a lot going on and I haven't had time to clean it. So here's what the basement looks like now. This is going to be a huge project because of all this stuff that we have. All right guys, so we got some stuff moved. We still have more to move, but I want to give you kind of a preliminary look at what it's going to be. So you can see the door there. So the wall will be built right up against where this is, okay? So the wall will come down here. It will shoot like this and then go like that. All right guys, so we've got a lot of work done down here. We are almost to the point where we can put up our plastic and start spraying this ceiling black. If you look up, you see the nice dark painted ceiling. It came out decent. It wasn't the best spray gun, but if you look, it turned out all right for what I need. And then I'll have to do 2 corners here and a corner there, none of which I'm any good at. I'm not good at corners. My grandfathers both will be rolling over in their graves to see how bad I am at corners, so probably not gonna let you guys see that part. But it's time to start marking out some studs. Alright guys, so we have our first wall laid out, as you can see here. Not exactly laid out completely straight, but this is going to be our door opening. This is what we did for our corner. How you have a triple wide essentially at the bottom, halfway up and at the top, and that gives you that nailer space that you need. It's good and secure, should be pretty sturdy. And considering that on this wall, it's going to be secured with a top plate here, and it's going to have to skip over the air duct and have a little section like that. Having that good solid corner will help kind of solidify that corner wall down there.
Truth. Oh yeah, nice. Yeah. All right guys, we are pretty much done with the office. There'll be a few things like some accessories and whatever, a nice comfy chair, but I'm gonna give you the view of the basement. You should remember this when we started. All this was added. That's where all that storage junk was. Here's the before shot. And then this is now. Alright, are you guys ready to see the inside of the Wanderlust? come up with a better name. The Wanderlust Handyman Cave. There we go. The Wanderlust Handyman Cave. Don't look out there. That's a mess. Alright, so we got the dimmer lights. So if we want to let some natural light in, we can. We have a nice window looking out into the yard. So I'm very happy with how this turned out. The ceiling looks incredible. The carpet in here is nice. It's just turned out to be a great spot down here. So overall, this has turned out exactly like I wanted it. This ugly concrete wall we saw in the beginning is a very nice shelf. I can just put stuff right across here. And it really looks great. I mean, it turned out nice. Not to brag on myself, but it turned out nice. So this just goes to show you that even if you have a space that looks horrible, you can make something out of it. A little bit of work, a lot of work, and some planning, and you can even make this ugly space that you saw what it looked like before with these horrible concrete walls. You can make it into a nice space. So I hope this has helped you some, and we'll see you guys on the next one.